Hi, I'm Dan from oneHR, and in this tutorial video, I will be running through how we set up a bank holiday or public holiday on the oneHR system. So we're going to start by going into the admin section, and you'll see here that we have an option for holiday year and public holidays. You can then see we've got the ability to add the public holiday here. So it's as simple as popping in the title and setting the date. So, for example, in 2023, New Year's Day was on January 2nd. So I will navigate to this date on the calendar, select it, and once I click add, you'll then see that this public holiday is being set up. Once this is being set up, you'll also see that it now appears on our calendar as a public holiday for all users. We've then got the ability to go through and add as many or as few public holidays or potentially even shutdown days that are relevant to your business.